Hello, I'm Trusha, Jasmine's friend. I've been following her stressful to soulful session throughout the lockdown. Her inspirational talks about different topics were quite interesting, informative in terms of our day to day life, which includes physical and mental well being. Her breathing exercises were so intense that it did help me during my COVID symptoms to regain my energy level. Her last part of session on meditation was very calming, soothing and relaxing. So I would recommend to any of you to approach her. I wish her all the best in future. Thanks, Jasmine.